Leo, go! Go, run, Leo, run! Run like a hamster. Go that way. It's his first time.
I don't know if he's like excited or freaking out.
No, he's not. He likes it. He's really happy. He just doesn't know what to do.